Number 14 has one term with an S, and then the other term is 3S, and then the other term is 4S. So essentially what this is saying is to add all the numbers with the S. And we can add all of these three because they all have in common the variable S. If this were to be an X, and this a 3S and 4S, we cannot add all three because this is an X and it's not an S, and they have to be like terms. They have to have the same variable, or they could just be numbers, like in this example, just constants. So 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. Or if this is confusing to you, you can just go ahead and write literally all of the S's that you see. So you have one S from here, and then how many S's? 3. 1, 2, 3. And then how many S's here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can obviously see, oh, that was a mistake. See? Good thing I corrected myself. There are 8 S's. So you have 4 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 3 S's. And then 1 up here. So that's 1. So 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So good thing I caught my mistake. So it's 8. 8S, right? We have to tag that variable along. And then number 15, we're going to go ahead and first combine the numbers that have a variable, which is 4t and 2t, right? So again, 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So we have 2t, and then we can rearrange this as 7, right, because it's positive, and then minus 2. And then what is 7 minus 2? That's 5. So that would be plus 5 because 5 is positive. So that's our answer for that one. And lastly, we have problems 20 and 21. 20 reads, playing time is added at the end of a soccer game to make up for stoppages. An expression for the length of a 90-minute soccer game with X minutes of stoppage time is 90 plus X. So they're combining the 90-minute soccer game and X minutes of stoppage. So these X minutes of stoppage are unknown, but they're added because it's time added of stoppage to the game. So as it is, the 90-minute is for the soccer game. Only for the soccer game. And X is a number that we don't know, but it represents minutes of stoppage. Minutes of stoppage. And the expression 90 plus X represents the total time of the game plus the stoppage time. And if they're telling you how long is a game with 4 minutes of stoppage time. So how long is a game with 4 minutes of stoppage time? So they're telling you that in this case, X is going to be how much? 4 minutes, right? Because it's minutes of stoppage time. So we're going to have 90 plus 4, which is 94 minutes. And the last one talks about the expression of 15 times x times 6 represents the volume of a rectangular prism with a length of 15, a width of x, and a height of 6. So they're telling you only to simplify the expression. So you already have this little expression on top, which is 15 times x times 6, and all they're telling you is to simplify the expression. So we have already practiced that before. So 15 times 6 is what? 90, right? And then times x, so it's 90x.